I think I can wear the DJI hat for this video. I think it makes sense. But what's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video. And today's video will be a bit different because even though I try to stay away from rumors and leaks and stuff like that, I just couldn't pass this information and not make a video about it because what are the odds, right? I just made an announcement in my previous video that I'm trying to get into FPV, and next thing I know, I'm browsing the internet and I came across this article that says that DJI has made 3 new FCC filings public and they're all regarding FPV products. How cool is that? And what are the chances? So a couple of days ago, I was browsing the internet, I was reading some stuff, and I read an article about some FCC filings from DJI about potential FPV products. And immediately, something just rang a bell in my head, simply because a couple of days ago, I made the announcement that I'm getting into FPV. I'm trying hard to become better at flying FPV quadcopters. I'm currently learning by using a simulator and this remote as well, and I'm trying really hard to become better at flying and not crash every 30 seconds. And after seeing the news that they are potentially coming out with a new remote controller, new goggles with a new design, and potentially a new FPV drone, I am really intrigued by this news. So let's check out the DroneDJ website and see what information can we actually learn from this article. So we can see that DJI has made 3 FCC filings public, and they are for 3 different products: a DJI FPV Air unit, a DJI FPV remote controller, and a DJI FPV goggles. So that definitely means that DJI is very interested in that brand new market. I say brand new because yes, of course, we have the racing goggles, but we don't have a racing drone yet. So even though DJI has created a couple of racing or FPV products so far, they still haven't made a full-blown FPV drone, and that's what I'm mostly excited about. Imagine a new product which has the OcuSync transmission system. You can use it with the racing goggles, which, by the way, will probably have a new design, something a bit smaller and portable, just like the Fat Shark Dominator goggles. I would love to have something smaller and not those huge goggles that DJI is currently offering. I'm not a huge fan of those, but if they create something smaller, more portable, and with lower latency, this will be just great for the FPV pilots out there. And with the OcuSync transmission system, imagine what the connection will be between your drone, the remote, and your goggles. And if they create a full package with everything that you need for flying FPV, I'm sure many people will ditch their racing quadcopters and just go for DJI, as I'm sure DJI will just try to polish their products in order to really have a chance to compete with the other racing quadcopters. Because let's be fair, the current selection of racing quadcopters is just insane, and they're very advanced. So in order to really compete with them, DJI has the power, has the name. They just need to create something that is a polished product that has the potential to outperform the other racing quadcopters and potentially create a package that sells everything in one. Because as a person who is trying to get into FPV, this is one of my biggest frustration right now, and that is to pick the right gear for myself. You have so many options, and of course you have some ready to fly options that you can buy, but it's really not easy to pick your drone, your racing quadcopter. You have to read a lot, you have to learn a lot, and I'm sure DJI will just jump over that potential problem and create something that will be not exactly for the masses, but something that would be easier to package together and buy all at once. And even though we don't have exact information, images, or description of these products, we at least know that DJI is working on trying to get into the FPV area, and I'm really excited about that. Like I said, I wouldn't be that excited if I hadn't just announced that I'm trying to get into FPV. And knowing DJI, I'm hoping that they will try to provide a good solution for new pilots out there, just like myself. So that's what I'm mostly excited about. Until I hear more information, I will keep practicing on my simulator. I will try to get better at flying FPV, and maybe once I'm ready to jump into this whole new world, by then we'll have more information, which I'll gladly share with you guys. So that's pretty much it. I don't want to make this video extra long. I just wanted to share my thoughts and let you guys know about these 3 new FCC filings that DJI has made public. I'm really intrigued to see what information we'll get in the very near future. Please let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about all of this? Are you planning to jump into the FPV world if DJI creates something new? Are you excited about these new potential products that we can get, or you just think it's pointless? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!